Hey, guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I also show you the amazing product, the Metoo Edition mechanical keyboard, a cutting-edge 87-key gaming keyboard, which is more popular and trending in AliExpress and also in cheap prices. After listening to product information, give the product link in the description box and also subscribe our channel. We will try our best to find out the best product from AliExpress with reasonable prices. Introducing the Metoo Edition mechanical keyboard, a cutting-edge 87-key gaming keyboard equipped with blue switches and designed for both tablets and desktops. This keyboard also comes with Russian stickers, allowing you to customize it to suit your language preferences. Unleash your gaming potential with the Metoo Edition mechanical keyboard. Featuring blue switches, renowned for their tactile feedback and satisfying click sound, this keyboard provides a highly responsive and enjoyable typing experience. Each key press is met with precision and speed, allowing you to dominate your gaming sessions or enhance your productivity with ease. Not only does the Metoo Edition mechanical keyboard excel in performance, but it also offers versatility. Whether you prefer gaming on a tablet or working on a desktop, this keyboard seamlessly adapts to your chosen device. Its compact 87-key layout ensures that it won't take up excessive space on your desk or hinder your mobility when using it with a tablet. One of the unique features of the Metoo Edition mechanical keyboard is the inclusion of Russian stickers. These stickers allow you to effortlessly transform the keyboard into a Russian layout, enabling comfortable and accurate typing in your native language. The stickers are easy to apply and provide clear visibility, ensuring a hassle-free transition to the Russian layout. With its durable construction and high-quality materials, the Metoo Edition mechanical keyboard is built to withstand intense gaming sessions and long hours of use. The keys are designed to be responsive and reliable, ensuring each keystroke is registered without fail. The keyboard's ergonomic design also promotes comfortable typing, reducing strain and fatigue, even during extended periods of use. The Metoo Edition mechanical keyboard is a feature-packed gaming keyboard that caters to your language preferences. Whether you're a dedicated gamer or a professional seeking optimal typing performance, this keyboard delivers exceptional functionality, comfort, and customization. Elevate your gaming experience or enhance your productivity with the Metoo Edition mechanical keyboard and experience the difference for yourself.